Do you want to make your dosas even more crispier? I have a nice tip for you. I have soaked methi seeds overnight in a tiny bowl.
And I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of this methi seed water to the dosa batter, which makes around 6 to 8 dosas, to make them really nice and crisp. Keep watching till the end to see the results. So you have to mix this batter well, and then the batter is ready to be put on the tawa. There you go. You can add a teaspoon of oil on top of the dosa. Our dosa is turning out very nice. It's looking brown. It's going to be really crisp. It's nearly done. So now I'm going to remove the dosa from the pan. It looks really nice and brown. It's really crispy thanks to the methi seed water, which makes it really crispy. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.